So, hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is health, career, and finances reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of March 2026. Keep in mind, I'm not a career counselor, medical practitioner, or financial advisor at all. Just simply reading the cards and energies, the probability of what could happen, and how you can manage it. Now you have a free will, and it's your responsibility to take the actions and take the decisions as per your free will, right? For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. I love my dimples. Mm. Now they're more visible. When I am slimmer, they start looking naturally beautiful, like more deeper. Let's see. Libra. So the Hermit. You guys will be thinking a lot about something that would have happened in your health department. So you guys are going to like use your wisdom, your knowledge, and your experience when it comes to a health sector before you guys are going to do anything that you should not be doing. This time you're going to make sure that you are going to do the right things regarding your health. So you are going to be much more cautious and using your knowledge, your wisdom, your experiences in your health's favor. That's really good. Guidance here is the Temperance. Okay, well, if you're waiting for some kind of medication or for some kind of workouts or something to work out in your favor, it will start working out in your favor, honey. But you guys have to be very very patient. It's a slow process. Slowly but surely, you guys will be able to heal. You guys will be able to recover. You guys will be able to get the desired results, but it is going to be slow. Slow and patient energies are required for something to work out in your favor, in your health's favor. So that's the thing. Patience is the key. For those of you who are doing job or working for others, we have the Eight of Pentacles. Your efforts are going to be rewarded. Okay, whatever you are going to working for, whatever you are wherever you are putting your efforts and energy, you guys are going to get the results of your hard work very very soon. Keep on doing the hard work, keep on putting in the effort and energy, and one day you guys are going to be rewarded. I don't think so the reward is coming in this month, but you are going to be surely noticed for your hard work. You are going to be surely noticed for your talent. Somebody is watching you, and your hard work and your dedication towards your work. So this is going to give you good results. Do not give up just because you are feeling like nobody is watching you, you're not getting what you want. You will eventually get it. And if this is something that you're not liking anymore, this job or career, you can look for other opportunities too, but do not give up fully on this one. Guidance here is a Page of Wands. You have to bring the creativity and excitement back in your work in some way. That's your job to figure out how. But adding some kind of creativity and excitement in your job or career area is actually going to help you a lot in being more productive, in being more creative, and bringing more good results out of your work. So maybe you can adapt a hobby, like for example, if you like writing or something, that might not directly help you, but it is going to help you to let your creative juices come out. You might be becoming a machine or something. Okay, so you can do that. For those of you who are self-employed or having their own business, we have the Knight of Cups. Good news is on the way for you guys. There is going to be beautiful improvement. There is going to be quite an improvement in your business thing. You guys are going to get some kind of good results, good news, some kind of message of okay, maybe you guys are waiting for some kind of collaboration or partnership or documentation or some kind of email or something. There are very very good chances that you guys are going to receive that. especially if it is related to some kind of overseas energy or global energy or something. Okay, good news. Okay, guidance here is the Three of Swords. You guys have to stop focusing on the negatives all the time. You guys have to start focusing on the positives when it comes to your business or when it comes to your self employment, Libra. If you guys are not going to focus on the positives, and if you're going to continuously focus on things that's not working out in your favor, you are going to attract more and more troublesome and heavier energies. Okay, start focusing on what is working out, start focusing on what you can do to improve your business and your work, instead of things that are not working out, that are stressing the hell out of you. Don't ignore them, but at the same time don't be so focused on them that you're going to miss the point. Okay, that's the thing here. For those of you who are looking for other opportunities, whether you are a fresher or you are experienced, whether you're looking for a job or another business opportunity, we have the Knight of Wands. You guys are going to get some kind of opportunity where travel is involved, that is going to make you feel very excited. This job, this career, this business wants you to be very active, wants you to be very creative, very much present, very much action oriented. I don't think so this is going to be one of those opportunities where you can sit on your ass and do everything from your laptop or something. Not a bad thing, obviously I also do that, but the thing here is it's an action oriented kind of a thing. I think it's going to be an opportunity. If you are going to seize it, if you are going to be active and you are going to seize it, you are going to get it. Otherwise it can convert into a missed opportunity very very easily if you are not going to take the opportunity when it's there for you. Okay, maybe somebody is going to give you a timeline like, okay, within 2 days you have to answer, within 3 days or 5 days or something. And if we are going to continuously think about it and not take the action, you might miss this opportunity. That is the deal here. The guidance here is the King of Pentacles. See, if you are looking for those opportunities where you want long term stability, right, where you are looking for something that's going to be there for you maybe for the rest of your life, and this is not aligning with that path of yours, that goal of yours, then you can wait for other opportunities. Then you can wait for the right opportunity. This one might be a freelancing thing, it can be just for the time being, it can be something that's exciting, but it's very very time consuming and it's a lot of physical work, and you guys might not be open for that. So you can wait for other opportunity. It's like it's not like it's going to be the last opportunity on this planet earth. So if you're looking for something long term, something stable, something that's going to match with your vibes and energies, and if this is not one of those opportunities, you can wait for another opportunity, or you can keep on working to feel like, obviously you have to keep on working for it. You have to keep on giving the interviews and whatever it takes from your side, right? Don't make any kind of choices or decisions in any kind of impulse or adrenaline rush or any kind of excitement only. Think about it properly. Okay, and if you feel like this is not the one for you, leave it. Cool, if you can. I don't know your circumstances. For your finances, we have the Ten of Cups. You guys are going to feel like now you have enough to take your family on holidays, or do something really good for yourself, or to enjoy your financial freedom, to enjoy your investment. You guys are going to maybe get some kind of good returns of your investments that you have made a long time ago. Whatever it is, you guys are going to feel quite happy, quite content with the kind of financial growth you guys are going to have in this month. For some of you, you guys are planning to have a vacation or something, or share this good energy with like your people, and that's really going to make you feel happy and content from inside. The guidance here is the Two of Pentacles. Okay, so Two of Pentacles here represents some kind of confusion, some kind of energy of, okay, I have now this much amount of investment, what should I do? Like, should I reinvest it? Should I buy something? Should I do this? Should I do that? Should I buy more shares? Just an example. Should I invest in property? Should I invest in gold? Just like that, right? So you can take help from somebody who can actually help you to figure it out. Okay, or do proper market research, do proper research and analysis and everything before making any kind of life changing decisions and choices when it comes to your money. These are few areas of your life, like health, career, finances. If you are going to take the right decisions, your life is kind of sorted, your life is going to be much more beautiful and positive. But if you're going to make the wrong turn, wrong choices, these things can get stuck for a long time. That's why these things should be taken care of very, very like properly. Hmm? The decision should be taken care of properly, well thought, well planned. Hmm. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.